Alright guys, mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Ito ay isang reaction video ni Rob Trip Marcos order courtesy by resignation of cabinet, lalo na yung mga hindi walang ginagawa sa Senado, no? At pinaparesign ni Marcos. Ayan, Ferdinand Marcos Jr. calls courtesy resignation of the cabinet secretaries. The move aim of recalibration administration following the midterm election. Right? Panoorin po natin guys. And under further ado, let's watch dito sa ating reaction.
But we have breaking news. President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. calls for the courtesy resignations of his cabinet secretaries. The move is aimed at recalibrating his administration following the results of the midterm elections. Malacanang adds this will give the president some elbow room to evaluate the performance of each department. The step is also seen as a clear transition to a more focused and performance-driven leadership approach. The president says it can no longer be business as usual and government needs to act fast to deliver services to Filipinos. All right, Senator-elect Erwin, your reaction. This is breaking news on the president asking courtesy resignations of all cabinet secretaries.
If you're asking for my opinion, Ms. Karen, I would say high time. It's now or never. Tama po, Mr. President. Saludo po ako na pag-desisyonan niyo yan. Una po agad tignan ninyo dyan sa Department of Agriculture. Problema una.
Ayan, tama yan, no? Tanggalin yung hindi nagpe-perform. Dahil na 3 years na, no? From now ang nangyari. Na walang nangyayari sa ating gobyerno.
Mahal po ang bilihin. Kailangan pong magmurang bilihin. So, meaning to say, Ms. Karen, hindi effective siguro yung mga polisiya, mga nakaupo dyan. Kailangan natin siguro ng bago, di ba? We need new people. Marami pa sa Department of Public Works and Highways, di ba? Isa pa dyan. Ang dami mga kalsada, bilyon-bilyon, may mga mga flood control, what happened? So, may problema rin tayo dyan. So, siguro kailangan...
Ayan, flood control, no? Binaba pa rin tayo, malapit ng tagulan. At sa mga pagkain, no? Lalong tumataas ang bilihin.
Isa-isahin. Yung mga non-performing environment and natural resources, di ba? What's happening? Tuloy-tuloy nakakalbo ang kabundukan natin, tuloy-tuloy mga black sand, quarrying. What's going on, di ba, Ms. Karen? So, it's high time. Kung non-performing ka, dumating sa table ni Presidente, out. In yung bago. Out. In. Matutuwa siguro ang tao. That's what the people are saying, are waiting. And tama yung Pangulo doon sa kanyang vlog na sinasabi niya, it's not business as usual, kailangan siguro may pagkukulang. Biro mo, the President admitted, may pagkukulang nga ako. And then he was saying na, siguro masyado ako mabait. So ngayon, nakikita na natin na tama na pagiging mabait. So, I will support that. Tama po yun, Mr. President, na pag-resignin mo yan, yung mga walang ginawa, yung mga inutil dyan, sibakin niyo po, lagay ninyo ng bago-bago naman. Kasi tama na po, 3 years, non-performing sila, wala pong nagawa.
Okay.
Never miss a story.
Ayan, sibakin, no? Yung mga walang nagawa sa ating gobyerno. Alright, maraming salamat sa panonood pagkinig dito kay Rob Trip. And see us again sa ating the next one, sa ating reaction video. And peace out.